is Chinmayi, and today I am going to be reviewing yet another hot tool, which is basically a hot tool. Professional stylist preferred. This is basically Helen of Troy 1.5 inch professional hot air brush. So let me take you right in. Check 1, 2, 3. Chaka 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 cha. Okay. Please help me with this one, God. Hot air tools. La 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 la. Test. This is well and truly stuck. Alright. So this works a lot like the Conair spin air brush and or the Revlon blow drying one-step tool that I have that I really like. Alright, so now this is pretty similar to the Conair spin brush that I have reviewed earlier on the channel, and it's very plasticky. It's very lightweight, and it does seem to move a little bit, and I'm going to be having this first impression sort of a thing. It's also slightly similar to the Revlon one-step blow drying tool that I really like as well. So this is something that says that it can curl, it can also dry your hair in one step and style as well. So I'm going to check how this goes. This has only 2 settings, high and low, and this has this interesting button here which says curl release. So I'm going to check how this works. So let's go. Okay, let's see if this curls. This is the highest setting and it's not too loud, interestingly. Now if I say curl release, I just want to see what happens. Okay. So basically they are also saying that you can hold on to this end of the tool so that, you know, it can hold on to the... This part of the tool is pretty cool in spite of the fact that this machine is still running. So you can hold on to this and run this for about 10-15 seconds and then switch it off. Okay. Alright, so I am going to try and figure out how to remove this from my hair while it is kind of stuck. And if you see, I think this kind of ends the review of this tool somewhere here. I clearly... this is really... Okay. I'm stuck with this. Now what do I do? Oh God. How the heck do I remove this? Okay. Clearly this is a fail, and I don't even know. I seriously have no idea how to remove this. I guess I need to pull out the brush maybe. Okay. This doesn't work for me. I don't know if it will work for you. Please let me know how this works. But it's right now it's like kind of stuck in my hair. So until I see you in my next video, by which time I would have untangled this. This is Chinmayi saying bye.